All right. We're back. Okay, apologize. You guys missed the very ending of the finishing of this app, but here it is right here. Now it says that I can play with the login, both business and customer demo login. Let's see what it looks like on the cell phone. All right. All right, so let's log in. See if you can actually log in. Oh, that's what it's talking about. Why green? All right, Sarah. First purchase, loyal customer, visit 10 times. Gold. Main store, redeem fresh coffee. All right. Available offers. I thought y'all had all that isn't fleshed out, huh? Okay. Day, night. I ain't even asked for that. That's cool. All right, so let's log out of here. Demo. Try the business demo. Okay. Customers. All right. $1,200 customers. That's good. 3 active promotions, 18,000 points redeemed, 4.8 on the customer satisfaction. Manage rewards. Let's see if that's not there yet. Send newsletter. I ain't even tell them to do that. They just did it. View. It made us actual suggestions. It made that as a suggestion, but I didn't say yeah. They just did it. Settings. Let's see what's there. Now, in case you missed the prior video, I will be connecting this to GoHighlevel. In case you don't know what GoHighlevel is, it's an all-in-one CRM platform that really can power a lot of the things that you would want your app to do. SMS, email. I'm going to integrate voice AI into this. Promotions. All right, so all of this, so I don't remember if you were here or not when I chose how to. No, you were here. How to start this building process. It asked that if I wanted to do the entire app at once, it would take about 20 minutes, or if I wanted to do iterations, section off functionality and do it in steps that would take 5 to 10 minutes each. This took probably about 5 minutes, and I chose the steps. So all of this stuff is not working. This is just the first flow through. And what I'm doing right now at this minute is I'm trying to decide if I want to add Stripe here. Well, this is what I need to find out. I need to find out, keep iterating on design. I can start building the functionality of your web app. I need to find out if using the GoHighlevel API will give access to Stripe. And I'm not sure. I was thinking I'm not sure if I want to do any type of payments on the app itself. But yeah, I think I probably need to have access to the Stripe API in the admin area. But let's see. I can't really. I have to speak to one of these. Let's add your API keys to get everything working. All right. So yeah, I can do it and add the key and then just say create a space for the key in the admin area. So I'm gonna pause you real quick as let's see. We can go over here right now. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna create an account. Create a separate account. I don't have to write it that way. Let's do it. So the sandbox is like a development tool. It's no real charge. You get fake APIs. I don't know if that's the correct terminology for it, but you get these APIs that uh, allow you to not actually get charged. Publishable key goes into the public. Secret key goes, well, let's do it the other way. Oh my God. secret key goes to the secret key. Continue. Now when we add any type of payment feature here, then it will simulate an operational function. Let's see, let's keep iterating on design. Now we don't need to mess with the design right now. Let's build some functionality up in here. So let's see what's next. Man. Oh. Looking at your PRD in the current design. Oh. Scared me for a second because I've been struggling with the PRD function of the last project. I thought it had got confused. It's talking about our PRD for this project. In the current design, I can see the core value is the loyalty point system with customer management. Let me implement the key features that will make this fully functional platform. Now, I'll create the complete database schema and implement the authentication system with all the necessary data modules for the loyalty platform. Perfect. Great, the database schema has been successfully created. Let me continue building the authentication system and routes. So let's go ahead on over to GoHighlevel and set up that sub account. Or maybe, let me see something. Since this is local, I may just set it up here. So this is a mini tour of some parts of GoHighlevel. So this is how you can set up a funnel. You got templates here that you can use. These things are ready to go quickly. I want something like this probably. Let's see what it looks like. From city transfers to tourist adventures. Oh, okay. Car rental place. I'll probably use this. Use this as a, maybe I might use this as a video demo and probably cut all of this off, really. Yeah, let's see what else is here real quick. Transportation service. Definitely like this color. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that's the AI one. I like this dark one too. Well, let's see. No, I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna use this one. So we just choose this template. Greensboro NC. Now I may change. Well, let's get back over here. Here we go. It's coming along now. Now the thing is, I was gonna tell it to add some color back there. It did it on its own. The thing is, build customer loyalty that lasts. This is business facing, and I want it customer facing. This is the type of landing page that I was going to build on GoHighlevel. It's already made. The landing page. Let's see what's happening here. Ready to transform your customer relationship. Okay. Start free trial. Learn more. Yeah. Somewhere we got it mixed up on what was the front facing page of the app. It's doing more. It's doing the complete build out for marketing. I was going to just do the app, present it to the customer, and GoHighlevel landing page is for the marketing, for the businesses. But let's see how it turns out. The question is, well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So there must be another landing page once a business signs up. Now I don't recall specifying that for that to happen. I did talk about it being a app where businesses can sign up and have people sign up, clients sign up. Early stage, I thought I changed it to just one business. Maybe I didn't. Get started. But my question is, all right, once you have the business signed up, then the business takes possession of their account. What is it that they present to their members for the rewards system? Because it shouldn't be the same page, if that makes sense. See how this is providing the benefits of the loyalty program. Well, not really the benefits to the business, not to the customer. So we'll ask it about all of that once it gets done. But I think we already seen it because remember we had the business login and the customer login. So this is the landing page, I guess, and that login page is the one that each organization actually uses, I suppose. So I'm just gonna pause this and sit down somewhere. So after 12 minutes of work, the loyalty platform is now fully functional with real authentication. You can see the landing page with the Get Started button that will take you through the login flow. Is everything working as expected? Oh my gosh, here we go with the reference stuff. All right. You don't actually have to use the Replit login for your app. I'm going to see what options it tells me are good. We use Superbase, we use Post, what is it called? Post SQL, Firebase. Basic username, password, authentication, what it is, traditional email, password, sign up and login system, user experience, customers create accounts directly on your app with email and password, benefits, complete control, no external dependencies, works offline. Setup, available as a ready-to-use integration that replaces Replit OAuth. 2. Firebase authentication, Google login, what it is. Let customers log in with their existing Google accounts. User experience, sign in with Google button, no password creation needed. Benefits, most people have Google accounts, secure, no password management setup, available as Firebase integration that handles Google OAuth. Option 3, custom social OAuth. No. Option 4, Magic Link authentication. What it is, passwordless login via email links, user experience, enter email, get login link, click link, no benefits, no password to remember, secure, simple setup, custom implementation with email service. Option 5, phone number authentication. What it is, login with phone number and SMS verification, user experience, enter phone number, receive SMS code, enter code to log in. Benefits, works globally. No email required. Custom implementation with SMS service like Twilio. My recommendation for a loyalty platform, I recommend option 1, username, password, or option 2, Google login, because username, password is simple, familiar, and customer expected for loyalty programs. Google login reduces friction since most people have Google accounts. Which option would you prefer? Works offline. We're going to do option 1. Keep in mind, I will be providing GoHighlevel API uh, to as part of the hybrid approach that we agreed on for doing the uh, creating the app. Perfect. I'll implement option 1, username, password authentication, and prepare for GoHighlevel API integration as part of our hybrid approach. Let me set up this while keeping all of your loyalty platform features intact. All right, so let's finish over here. I have some. Well, I meant to ask it about this page because I might not need the landing page now. But anyway, so all you do in order to change this stuff up and GoHighlevel is highlight it, come over here, that's an image. It doesn't have to be an image. But to change out this image, you will come over here. Now you have to have your images in here. As you can see, I've been using GoHighlevel extensively. Let me see what this looks like. I'm not going to leave it here. I just want to see what it looks like. All right, you see that? So if you get a smaller image, then you still have this background color up there. Now you can just basically not have an image by messing that up, but you don't want to leave that there, so you want to turn that off. Oh, that's the image load. You want to go here and say, oh, that's the image. That's the image option. Where's this thing at? Well, some of these you don't have to have an image up there. I guess this one you do. But what you could do, something like this. What I did was make this in Canva. I think it was in Canva. For a different site, of course. But it's transparent and it's just words. So whatever you want to put up there, you know. Okay, I'm tripping. Now what we doing? What I can do is just delete it that way. I can figure out what's going on now. All right, we're back. I just refreshed the screen. But you can just delete the image. You can also go in the section. I think that's the image right here. Let's see. What are we doing? This is all right, this is connected to Pixabay. So we can search for an image over here. Let's search for all right, interesting. He done took the wheels off the car. Well, let's do this. It's gonna be hidden anyway. These just look like a hand wash though. go ahead and unsplash. Keep in mind, this is just a filler image. This will change when someone actually wants to use. There we go. All right, so let's check this. So here is another option with select the domain. We're not there yet. Doesn't matter, we didn't really do anything. But I want to show you this feature. Funnel AI. We're going to say, which one was I doing? Oh, um, I'm looking for a funnel for my car wash. Generate more leads. Friendly. Get 5 free funnel generations. $1.04 after 5. Let me show you how this works. This is GoHighlevel. They have what is called AI employee. An AI employee, it has content AI, conversation AI, voice AI, workflow AI, all in one place. And funnel AI, that's what you're watching right now. And this is what it came up with. Of course, you can change any of this out. But that's a nice, unique, custom website in less than minutes. You can switch this image out for something else because it doesn't look like a car wash. Let's see what we can find. Has direct access to Pixabay. Alrighty. This is a hand wash. Let's use this one. You can't really use this image. Need something more universal. The guys will love that. Yes, some guys. He's the only one that's hand washing though. But how many people are gonna be hand washing really? We don't need hand washing. Let's see how this one shows up. That'll work. It's a nice car. It's obvious what's going on. And this could like be cars that's already been cleaned up and ready for the streets, I suppose. Yeah, I think that'll work just like that. Wait a minute. All right, so let's save this one. Let's go back out because this is not what I'm supposed to be building. So let's do the client loyalty program. They don't have many. Well, they got plenty of industries, but let's see. Let's do that. See what that comes up with. No, let's do shopping. Let's do customer loyalty programs. Loyalty? Let's do this one. Because I need to do that anyway. See what that comes up with. Generate leads, friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous. How about persuasive? Loading, less than a minute. There we are, less than a minute. Now all of this information gets automatically filled out when you put the information in the fields for the business. But that's a pretty good start. Really looks good on mobile. Let's see. I always like how the containers are separated. Then you got the background, but you know on iPhones, the parallax effect doesn't work the same way. You just change this out to something that's more suitable to your potential customers. I'm looking for something that is inspiring, motivational, but not intimidating. These look AI generated. So this is what I ended up with. Remember, all of this is changeable. And this comes along with GoHighlevel, but this is not actually what I'll be using for marketing. What we'll actually be using, this is too distracting. It's more like a website rather than a funnel. With a funnel, well, actually what we can do is go to sites, clone, we'll leave it here. So here you can put it in different sub account. You can put it in different sub accounts if you want to. Then go back up in here to the copy. Just click on it, edit it, and we can just delete sections. Delete, 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 delete. And now there's just, we can just delete all of this. Or let's go in here. Maybe we'll leave that one. Book your session. Maybe have a video. But now let's put an image. Let's put a column. I'm going to move this up one. There we go. We'll just say All right, so you're probably wondering why I am even connecting this to Go High Level in the first place. I'll show you real quick. This is not a Go High Level video, but it's going to be integrated into the app, so I'll show you why. So you have your sub accounts. I have a sub account that is local, and whoever wants to use this, they're going to get their own sub account and put their API in it. But what I can do is I can go here and get the API for my sub account and stick it. Well, I'm not going to. Okay, yeah. You get the API, then you also get the location ID. You bring it over here to Replit, and you say, I have the Go High Level API and location ID. Well, all right, just hang tight with me, okay? Now, the only thing is, I'm not going to set a whole lot of stuff up yet because this might work out fine. I have to work through this and see how this is going to look, how it's going to work once it's all functional. Like I said, the original idea was to create a landing page and go high level, and then have a link from that landing page to the app. Well, not from the landing page, but have the payment tier for the business on the landing page. They pay. When you pay, then you get access to the loyalty program. And I was just going to leave it for one business and just do the whole thing for each business. But right now, the way it looks is that it's set up so that you can operate it as a SaaS and have them do everything right here on this app. Now, what I'm waiting to see is, like, this is the business facing part. What does it look like for the business to present it to the business's clients and employees? What does that landing page look like? Is that incorporated in this? I don't know yet. So you put the API key right here, and then this is the location ID goes right there. Where in the world is this thing at? That's right here. Yeah. So then you grab the location ID, take that back over there. And by doing this, you can operate the SMS, you can operate the email. Oh, that's why I said I was going to show you. All right, so now that's there. Not only that. All right, so you have AI voice agents. You have conversation AI. You have automations that you can do. So, well, hold on, let me show you something. Let's go back out. You go to contacts. I can store all of the users that sign up in this contact list and just manage everything here. And then you see you got tags over here. All of this can be connected to automation. You use automation right here to create workflows, and you can just have different actions depending on what the tag is and handle customers, aka contacts. Well, not all contacts has to be customers, but well, that's the perfect example. So you have all your contacts here, and now you can have a workflow for contacts who are customers. You can have a workflow for contacts who are, when I say workflow, I'm talking about, it's easy to create different workflows. You just go different routes with all this. So you can use some of this, all of this, a little of this. So really what I need to do now, how this actually functions, and decide how much of Go High Level I'm going to use. The main thing for me was to just be able to use the SMS and AI voice and maintain the contacts for the loyalty program. Because I don't want it to be too, it depends. It depends on what the person wants. But, that can get real complex and tedious and overkill. They might not want all that. They only want a a program to organize all the users and customers and be able to send them messages because you'll be able to do notifications and all that within the app. Please, PK. Wait a minute. Publishable key, PK, the publishable key. Secret key. We call it great. Now that the Stripe testing secrets are added, let me run the comprehensive test to verify the GoHighlevel integration is working properly. User registration and login test. For 04 page, not found. Starting our journey on the website by heading to the main login page to get things set up. I'll then enter some test details like username, password, email, and name. Let me see if I got this email set up. Come on. Where do I have this thing set up at? Oh, I know what to do. We'll call it mobilewash.greensboronconline.com. So this is going to set up that subdomain and proceed to finish. It is, wait, yeah, mobile car wash. Then proceed to finish. You have this landing page. So now, oh, that was the wrong one. It's all good. All we got to do is switch it. So now if we want to use this, and you can, this is just pre-setup, early setup. We can change all of this stuff. But I'm just showing you how you can integrate. So then you can just have this as a landing page. If we don't like how that is, or if we want to change how that is, then we could just set this up as a landing page. It is facing any business that might want to sign up for the program. You can have the payment tiers here. Then they pay, and then once they pay, it forwards them on over to this. All depends on how this is operating. We'll figure that out. But what we need to do still, now that we have a domain connected, it's going to look a little crazy, but we just want the functionality right now. So we can add the email. Oh, the email is already connected. All right, great. The email is already connected. lc@greensboro.com. And support start warm up. So that's ready to go. We have the phone number here. That means that SMS, the SMS ain't gonna work because this has to be done for the SMS to work, but the voice agent will work with this number without that activated. And we can just use the email as far as notifications. And well, I guess we had to go ahead on and get this activated because people may want to see the phone used as part of the program. "12 minutes of work." Oh, I think it just got done. All right. Holy smokes, 6:22. All right, so we'll get back into this another time because this video has to be ready to be uploaded.